Good morning, boys and girls. It's Thursday, the day before the holidays. Now, I promised you something special today, and that's exactly what I'm going to give you. It's becoming almost time for the holidays, and I know you like to eat in the holidays, which is why I'm in the kitchen. And I'm sure you're fed up of hearing from me every morning. So today, we've got a special guest.
Aha, I bet you wasn't expecting me. So now Easter is coming and we're gonna do some breakfast for you and your parents. So we're gonna make it easy and we're gonna do some pancakes. So what do we need for them? So we need roughly 200 grams of flour, 25-30 grams of butter, 3 eggs, boiled up, 200 grams of milk, that's in there, I'll show you later, little bit of vanilla sugar, and you will need teaspoon of baking powder. So what we're gonna do now is gonna mash it all together, like the flour. Don't forget a baking powder, so it'll be nice and fluffy. Roughly a teaspoon, but I know what I'm doing. Well, I'm pretending anyway, so there's a teaspoon, let's say that. We'll crack some eggs in it. Mind the shell though, I don't think parents will appreciate that, but they won't complain, trust me, they will eat it with the shell if you have to put it in, accidentally. Mash it in some butter as well. Milk. Little bit of vanilla, make it all sweeter and nice. And then just whisk it, whisk it, whisk it. You know what? We could go a little bit thicker than that, so we need more flour. From 200 to 220 a flour, because we want a little bit thicker dough, so we can put some stuffing in it. And for the stuffing, it's going to be a treat as well. Ah, that's more like it now. Well, that's the consistency you want for them. Nice and thick. We'll make a mess, but it's okay. Then we're gonna go to the other side and cook. For the stuffing, we're gonna make it with the bacon, and then the ones who are not friends with the pork, we're gonna do with the strawberries then. So everybody should be happy with that. You need a little bit of oil for the pan, but only tiny dash, and only for the first pan. Afterwards, they won't be sticking at all because we have butter in it. So it's all covered then. Joshua, while I'm waiting, pan is heating up, I should talk something, shouldn't I? I could tell that I miss you, and I do miss you, but I do enjoy quiet as well. Especially with the teenagers, you are the favorites, aren't you? And all the loudest as well. But I hopefully we're gonna see you soon, and then we're gonna catch up and stuff. And I'm sure we're gonna come up with some sort of surprise or something for the first day when you're coming back as well. So now, hopefully it's all well and good, and we're gonna start cooking as well. So now, I have a little ladle which is roughly 50 grams, but you can use the spoon or whatever you fancy. For the bacon one, we're gonna make the longer one, so we can put the bacon on top of it. And then for the strawberry ones, I'm gonna do it in a one pan, because we're limited with time. We're gonna do the round ones with the strawberries. So now, we'll grab some bacon. Chop it on top of that. So we like bacon, we'll put some more in, won't we? It's a good stuff. And to cover it all up, and it should be nice and innocent, we just put it on so nobody will know what we have in there. Oh yes. And the same thing we're gonna do with the strawberries. But then instead of strawberries you can put blueberries or any fruit really you fancy. Just don't put any raw meat, that will end badly. Look at that. Nice and fatty. Flip one. Like the other one. These ones are not quite done yet. I'm just gonna turn up the heat. So right, we have been cooking for a little while, so the way you can check it, it's done or not, just easily poke it. If you feel it's sturdy enough and there's nothing blowy there and no movement around, then it should be cooked all throughly. Same we're gonna do with them. And it's all well and good, so we're gonna plate it up. Bacony ones and the strawberry ones. So what we do, we can fetch up some maple syrup or whatever you fancy, and gonna dig in and see what we got. Okay, so now we have cooked our pancakes and we plated up. So this is Stanford. Are you there to try what we made?
Do I dare to try it? What we made, what you made, Mr. Sergeis. Well, maybe before we try it, could you just go back through the recipe so that the boys and girls know exactly what they're going to be making?
Okay, so what we did use today is 220 grams of flour, 3 eggs, 200 milliliters of milk, 25-30 grams of butter, melted, definitely melted. A teaspoon of baking powder, dash of vanilla sugar, and that's pretty much it. And whisk, whisk, whisk. Job done. So now dig in and we'll see what we have.
Okay, I'm gonna try. Let me first of all try this one. Well, I feel like I'm on a TV show.
Oh, go on now. Have a maple syrup. Have a maple syrup.
Oh, not with bacon.
Oh,
no.
yeah. Haven't you seen Americans what they do?
Maple syrup and bacon. Just a little bit. I'll put it up. This is a dainty way of doing it.
Oh, yeah. That's it.
And then I'll dip it in.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, absolutely. I'll have to dig in.
Really
I
good.
can't
And
really
soft
no
on
more.
the inside and hard on the outside. How about you?
I'm gonna go with the strawberry first. I'll use your maple syrup. There you go. You'll make for your mother this one for breakfast, and I'm sure you're gonna get some treats for the lunchtime at
Let me
least.
try this one. Mmm, well, Sergei, as they say in all the best cooking shows, nailed it.
Good luck to you, and I'll see you soon when you come back to school. Bye!
Have a great holiday, everybody. Bye.